gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I literally just finished up the edit, not edit, but the recording. Where'd it go? There it is. The camera right there. I literally just finished up the other video stating that I had just finished all this. So here is the second half. I found the hardware, or at least some of it. Found some of this hardware. I'm gonna mate both of these up, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this panel off, wipe this down, clean it, put it back on, and then I'm gonna put these back together finally, and then I'll take the seat off and see if I can remember where all the hardware is for for this, because I don't even remember where I put it. I know it's somewhere up there. Somewhere. I have no idea. Anyway, stay tuned. See, now good news, I don't have to use the torch right here because the sun never touched it and it's still the same color as the rest where I did hit it with the flames. So this side is good. I wiped it down nice and clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble.
NCI Music. NCI Music.
Alright, so here's the scoop. I got all the connections hooked up. Everything's is where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna, bundle all this up and make it nice and tidy. But headlights, both running lights. Everything up here is registering. Can't really tell, but I do have a brake light. See in the reflection. It's hard to tell. See how the napkin's getting brighter? So I've got brake lights. I have a right turn signal. And see how it's blinking slow now? Both front and rear. So that's good. But where's my other one? Cancel. And a right turn, a left turn. That's telling me that I have a light bulb out. That's right. So what I did was I took that off of there. Let me show you what I found. I can't believe this. See, it's still, there's no light in there. There's no light bulb in here. So I need to go buy me another light bulb. I don't have any more. That's disappointing, but that's okay. It's all right. That means that people can see that I'm trying to stop. So I got a brake light. That's important. And then with turn signals, I can always use hand signals to turn. So I found my side panels, but there's a bolt on both sides that comes out, and then this goes on, and then the bolt holds it in place. But I'm not done with this section because I still need to get inside here to synchronize the carburetors. So that's why I have not bolted these in place, or just like clipped in place. But yeah, I'm pretty much done for this evening. This is my goal, is to get all this. There is a bolt that is missing, but it is actually snapped off on the inside on the bracket. I didn't know that until just now. I didn't realize that. So let me go ahead and button all this up really quick, and then we'll call it. And there you have it, folks. Majority put together. Still got some work left to do on it, but I managed to find the chrome pieces, the hardware that goes to it. I realized that one of these was broke off, so later on I'm gonna have to tap that out and get a new bolt for it. But Roach, nope, nope, no. Ugh. I'm gonna take this out, go for a quick run. I'm gonna make some adjustments on the brakes, and I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, with that, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content of it, especially with me putting all the back part of the bike back together. I did take a quick trip up to AutoZone so I can get a light bulb for the left side of the bike. Unfortunately, it only one side stays lit with the running lights, so I gotta figure that out. I don't know if it's a connection or whatnot. I'll figure it out later. But for the most part, everything on it seems to be working just fine. And I'm definitely looking forward to taking this thing out on the road. And a final shout out to my uncle for allowing me to use his GoPro 9 and being a sponsor of the channel. So thank you very much for that. And I guess that's gonna be it for today. So if you guys have any questions or whatnot, throw them down below in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, y'all take it easy. I love you. Goodbye.